So you guys can see what I'm working with right now. I got the two.
Yo, what is going on, guys? It is your boy Zeph from Cruise Customs back here for another video. Now today we are actually starting it off in the, I gotta clean my I gotta do my bed. Hold on, give me a second. Alright, now that the bed is all clean and it looks good, we're starting it off in the room today because I want to start off the videos a little bit differently now. This is what I want to do. I want to give more of a lifestyle plus install type of video. So this video is going to be a little bit different than all the rest of the videos. So go down and comment, like the video, tell me if you guys enjoyed it or not, because maybe the videos will change up like this and become more of a lifestyle type of thing. So I want to get into that. Today we are going to be working on blue. It's been out of commission for a fat minute and I really want to get it back. But back to what I was saying about the whole lifestyle thing. I want to make the videos a little bit more interesting, and by doing that I'm gonna show what I do on a daily basis, because I don't do just car stuff. I work, I hang out with friends, I go do fun stuff, and I just live a crazy life because everything is so jam-packed, you know what I'm saying? So today is gonna be a little bit different. We're gonna show that aspect of my life. Tell me if you guys enjoy that. So yeah, let's get into it and let's head into that. I almost forgot one thing. I need to grab the keys that have been sitting on this hook by my door for the past month and a half, because my car has been gone for that long. Because this is exactly what happened. Actually, you know, I'm gonna go show you the parts and then we're gonna get into it. Get into it. So let's go do that. So we are now downstairs and I got a bunch of parts right here. So I decided to buy a stage 2 clutch flywheel kit. It comes with everything. It comes with the alignment tool, the clutch, the flywheel, the pressure plate, what else, the throwout bearing, all that stuff is right here, and we're gonna be replacing that today. We're gonna get started at least. Other than that, let's go to the car, start taking everything apart, get everything lifted up, because that's what we need to do. Because I'm not gonna take this big box outside yet, because there's no point, because it's a long process to take everything apart. I gotta take the transmission out, slave cylinder, I gotta move the battery, I gotta take literally everything out. So yeah, let's get into it.
6.5 hours later.
So you guys can see what I'm working with right now. I got the two jacks right there to jack up the car, and then I just put those two jack stands underneath there. I'm about to lower these jacks right here just so it sits on top of those two jack stands right there. And now we're gonna start this little project because it's gonna take a fat minute. So we're just gonna get started and hope for the best. So yeah, let's get into it. So guys, I started off by taking apart all the battery stuff. So I took the battery out, took all the stuff that surrounds the battery, and I also took out the little plate that the battery sits on. So now this alleviates so much more space. So now you can get to the starter, your shift linkage right here, your shift, whatever this is called. Don't judge me, I don't know the correct terminology for everything, but I'm gonna try my best. I know how everything works, so I'm gonna try to get everything out. But I'm gonna show you guys what I'm going to be taking out next. Someone just skirted. Anyway, I'm gonna be taking out all this slave cylinder, this shift with the shift linkages, all that's gonna be coming out. I'm also gonna take apart this starter, take the starter out because that is not gonna be needed in this process, because the starter is attached to the transmission. So you literally gotta alleviate everything. I'm gonna end up taking the wheels off, taking those boots out. These, I'm having a brain fart. These arms right here, those are gonna be coming out because they are connected to the transmission. So once I get those out, this will literally all slide out. Once I unbolt everything, I gotta unbolt this. I just gotta unbolt a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna get into it and show you guys after I am done. All right, so now I alleviated the wheel, so the wheel's not there. I also went ahead and used the torque gun right there and took out the bolt that holds in what this is called. I'm having issues with this part right here. So yeah, anyway, got that started. So now I'm gonna take the A arms apart. As you guys can see, like I was saying earlier, those bushings are worn out, so those are going to be replaced later on. So guys, it's been a couple hours of me working personally on the car. I've been doing everything by myself because I'm trying to see what I can do by myself, and whatever I need help with, I'll ask somebody to come help me with. But so far so good. It's been a couple hours. I've been struggling to take this drive shaft out. I finally found out what the word was. It's called a drive shaft, and I've been struggling taking it out. And in that time, my mom came home. You guys can see the Power Mobile is right there. Actually, let's go say hi to Mama real quick.
Hi, Mama. Say hi to the vlog. She's in the Powermobile, her favorite car. But yeah, I've been working all day personally, and I'm having trouble getting the gear out of this rotor, and it's struggling. I did get the drive set out on that side, if you guys can see. A-arms out. Everything's disconnected right now. I'm just trying to get this gear out of here. I'm having trouble. I might start on the other side, get that side taken apart, and then figure out how to take this out, and then I'll be done for the day. It's like, what, like almost 4 o'clock now. I usually leave the house by 6 to go chill with some friends. I don't know, today we might link up with Dom, which is my barber friend. You guys have seen him on the channel before, like you'll recognize him once I show him again, but we will probably most likely link up with him today. Head over to our secret spot that all our friends like to hang out and yeah, chill for a little bit. Alright, so beautiful sunset, swear to God, but I'm done for with a car today. Like, I got all this hanging and dangling. My boy Dom showed up. You already know what it is. Like, we about to go chill with everybody at the little secret spot. But
it's not a secret spot. It's a public park. Fucking.
Anyway, so I got a bunch of the stuff like taken apart in here. Slave cylinders out. The shifting rods or whatever the hell you want to call them are out. Everything's out. So all I need to do is take out transmission bolts that are left around the top. Take out this mount right here. It should be done. So I'm about to get cleaned up because you see I'm all dirty, and then we about to take off in the Beetle and vibe the rest of the day. But I'm done for today. I got 3/4 of the way done of taking everything apart. So yeah. That's sad. That is sad. But we're gonna take off in the Beetle and have a great rest of our day.
Who said you couldn't put hydraulic systems on a Jetta? Fuck switches.
We need the switches, boys. All right, but for real, I'm gonna get cleaned up, and then I'll see you after I'm done getting cleaned up. So let's yeah. We cleaned up all that good stuff. Look, all fitted, all clean, like no dirt, no nothing. Hey, we about to go crazy. So like I said, this is a lifestyle type of video. So if you guys do like it, please drop down in the comments.
Everybody loves that lifestyle, bro.
Swear, we gonna show you guys today because I don't usually show this, but we about to get into it.
What we do?
We about to show them what we do.
Oh,
yeah. Alright, we're gonna get in the car, take off, and yeah, I gotta go grab keys and all that good stuff. So let's head into that. We hopping in the Beetle, bro. Like,
oh, you videotaping it?
something like that.
Okay.
Something like that.
Yes.
Hopping in the Beetle. Oh wait, cold start? Question mark.
Yes, sir. Top.
All right, let's head out. We always find something to do, so.
Yeah, don't worry. Yeah, y'all be entertained. Don't worry. Like, we always figure something.
Yeah,
We're gonna get y'all money's worth.
I bet. Let's get into it. I'm gonna start driving, and then we just gonna pop up somewhere and hit you guys with something. We stopped by AutoZone real quick so I can get a rethreaded kit, cause like I've been need that for the axle or the drive shaft. But my boy Marquez is here. You guys seen him before? About to be inside. Let's see what's up. Good, bro. I'm doing a little lifestyle vlog today, bro.
What's up, bro?
How you been?
Looking for the 3H drive, they don't got shit at AutoZone, bro.
Swear.
What the fuck is
It's
this?
AutoZone.
Bro, it's AutoZone. Like, you got your normal tools here,
It's
bro.
like a Walmart version of a car shop.
That's what I'm saying. But, bro, I saw the car outside. I was like, you here.
Already know.
Had to sneak up on you real quick.
This is it.
Bro, they got nothing, bro.
Look how fat this 15-inch.
Bro, why you
What
holding
are
it
you
like
gonna
that?
do?
Why you holding, bro? Beat some shit in, bro.
So I got the 3-threaded kit. I opened it up, and I don't think it's big enough for the.
Bro, it is.
Dry
I bet
shaft.
you, bro. I bet you $2. Bro, $2 and a cherry Coke. That shit fit.
I'm telling you, it doesn't, bro.
Bro, it does.
I'll tell you, it doesn't. Are you serious? You
Yes,
we
dog.
about to do this right now, bro? Like, you know what? We're just gonna have a good night. We're just gonna keep to it. Do you know how much it costs to rent this thing?
Yeah, that bitch was
Bro,
expensive.
$115, bro, to rent this thing. I mean, I get it back,
Get in the
but
car.
still.
Nigga just ran a red light. Nigga just straight ran. You know what I hate more than pigs? The goddamn Mexicans. I'm actually I'm a white Mexican. I'm a Mexican Italian. Just so when you post this, I don't get no hate. I don't want to be like, who's your redneck friend with the mullet? Not trying to get it. It's a tequache mullet.
You said we're going to Walmart?
Yeah, bro.
Alright, for sure.
I'm thirsty and I want a can of Pringles. Bro, dog, we got some lives.
I know, bro. Like,
Bro, we is not competing against them. Like, fuck.
you know what we should just do? We should just go to Copper, bro.
Bro, this is our small town life. This is our little world.
Bro, all we did was go to AutoZone and get the rethreading kit. We haven't even started the night yet.
Bro, it's just us talking to the camera.
Right now, bro. But
all right. Then we're going to Walmart. We'll be back with y'all. Stay tuned.
Yeah.
Right after this small commercial break.
Alright, so we just pulled up to Walmart and they ended up being closed. So we about to go get some tacos at the spot.
Everybody,
hashtag
fuck COVID.
Yep, add hashtag Sonora and hot dogs. So we about to get there. It was Sonora hot dogs and tacos, but we about to pull up and you guys gonna see what we talk about. We about to get some bomb
Shit's
tacos.
fire, bro. Straight from Mexico.
Swear. So
Amazing.
let's go get our quaca.
They cut the ends. Look at that. They cut the ends so we could squeeze it out. Never mind, it's just a plastic bag. I gotta bite it. I'm weak.
Bro, I saw this saliva, G.
Why is it spicy? Best shit in Arizona, dog. I'm telling you. Shit,
I'm not
basically-
eating. I'm not hungry because I ate at the house,
He's a
or else I
fucking
would
fat
get
ass
food.
dog. Nah, he just
Yeah.
doesn't want to eat in front of y'all. He's embarrassed.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is. Like, I would eat, but like y'all would get like, y'all would feel good about it. I don't want y'all to feel good about me eating tacos. Like,
He has orgasms while he eats, bro. It's weird. Can you
yeah.
say that shit in YouTube?
I mean, unless you, I mean, I don't know, bro. Like, I think you just can't cuss, but I'm gonna have to bleep out a lot of your.
Oh, wow.
Talking.
Am I not child friendly, you dumb bitch?
No, definitely not.
Bro, just eat the taco already, bro.
Do you have a lot of kids that, oh my god, it's so hot. Let me eat it with a fork. Damn.
Bro, this vlog is like, this lifestyle video is not it today. Like, it feels a little off.
Bro, the other night, bro, we ran into a BRZ. It was dope.
We do a lot of different things, but like,
What did you just do, bro?
Keep burning up. It's one big taco. I'm a dumbass. There were two separate ones with double layered. I just spilled everything.
anyways, we gonna let this dumbass eat, and we'll catch up to
It
you.
was a good idea.
We'll catch up to you guys when we get to the secret spot.
But yeah, we about to go to Circle K and then head to the spot because like we a little bored trying to find something to do, and like we just gonna stick to our roots and do what we usually do. So
Yeah,
let's
bro,
get
we're
into
done putting the show for all.
yeah, because it's not
No
working.
Cat, bro, all the curse words there are. This shit, dog, we rolling our way.
You know what's funny? I just put dolphin noises all over that, bro.
Really, nigga, you could do that shit?
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna catch up with y'all when we.
Bro, are you actually gonna do that though?
Yeah.
Bro, do it. Bro, that would be so. It'd just be like that shit over and over.
Alright, I'll catch up with you guys soon.
Yeah, I was mad. You got fucking yanked it.
Bro, I'm filming a lifestyle vlog type shit, bro. So I'm gonna put your at and shit. Alright,
Garrett_boot.
alright, for sure. I got you. Instagram.
Yo, bro, you got any extra vapes on me?
Nah, I mean,
You work at Walmart now?
I did for like a week.
I'm weak.
You don't want to get the vape shop anymore?
No, I do.
Do it real quick. You be safe, bro. Certified dumbass. I'm fucking weak. You're a certified dumbass. This nigga thinks he's cool because he got 1,600 on TikTok. I'm weak. Boom gang, whole lot of gang shit. Boom gang, whole lot of gang shit. Showing love out here in the streets. Just some homo love.
I can feel his titty pressing against mine.
Bro, I like flipping them, bro. Like, watch this shit. Hey, Kila, come here.
Let's run a football game.
Please. I didn't know. You gotta get his titty slapped. Why?
That's what I'm saying, bro.
Bad bitch, cute face, and some
Nice titties.
Fuck you.
Bro, I hate your whack ass shit, bro. This looks awkward as shit recorded like this, bro. Like, I'm not used to this. I'm not used to this.
That's what you gotta do, bro. You gotta act like you're saving the moment.
I don't,
want me to
because, like,
fucking
it's,
record?
yeah, please. It's a lifestyle type of video, you feel me? Like, bro,
Slim Shady. Harder said than
what? Wrong way, my nigga.
Nah, bro, it's facing you.
There you go.
Why is it all blurry?
I don't know.
Yeah, that's good. So that's we call her. What do we call you? We're gonna gonna call you a Cancun. You're a Kukui. You're a Kukui. All right.
Are you ever recording?
That's yeah. That's a big head Zip. Your boy. Your boy. Why are you saying that?
I don't know. I don't know.
Zeph has a tiny dick, actually. I've seen it. Oh,
You're still recording, bro.
oh yeah. I'm a good ass photographer. That's Henry. I beat the shit out of him for like $200. Bruh, but it is funny though. I like grabbed him. I was like, ah! Come on, say it was funny. Ah! We're editing that out. Those are our local spot skater fags. Shout out to all the skater fags out there. Hashtag, if you don't break the board, it's not skating.
But we got some good ass lighting here, bro. Like, you could dead ass be my photographer, bro. Like, follow me, bro.
Oh, I'ma follow you? Okay.
Just like bust it out.
So, what am I, your sidekick? I just gotta record your famous ass?
Bro, look at Anthony's whip, Jeep type shit.
Bro, that shit's bad.
Next to the Beetle, bro. Shit go crazy.
Yes, sir. We got the Miata up there. The Subi. I can't tell what the fuck that is, but...
So we got, okay, we going,
Oh, we got two Miatas.
what we gonna do here is we got the Beetle, and then in the distance we got a wild S2K, a fake Evo, a Miata, and a slammed ass Camry. Alright, we're done here for a little bit. We'll pop off on the video when something comes up because it's kind of dead right now. Alright, for sure. What's good, Davina? Drive a Subi. Yo, say what's up.
Wayne gang.
Wayne gang. Basic mod gang. Are y'all dipping? For real? Because I'm out. Oh. Do you hear him? Do you hear the...
I'm at 10 or I'm getting locked out, and it's not my house. So I can't really beg
57. You have 3 minutes, bro.
That's what I told him.
Are you gonna come
telling him
back?
he's tripping for no reason. Yeah. No, I can't.
Because then you can be home at
I'll be here. I'll be here tomorrow though. I'll be here tomorrow. I gotta fix my car. Bruh, I'm tripping on why. Now, bro, you didn't trip about. Could have been like,
Davina, could you drive me, please?
So your boy got home last night, but he fell right asleep. That's why my bed's all messy now and stuff, because I just woke up. But hey, I was so tired working on my car all day, or maybe it just wasn't it. But hey, the videos are gonna be kind of more like this, but it's gonna get better. It's gonna get better. This is just like a little sneak peek. I didn't show everything that went on. I should have got all the lip parts, but you know, the camera wasn't rolling for the lip parts, because how am I supposed to know? I'm not gonna be just recording the whole time. So I mean, next time I'll record a little bit more, get a little bit more into things, talk to some more people, and yeah, we'll get into it. But hopefully you guys did enjoy. If you guys did at least enjoy this video or this vlogs type lifestyle type of video with the car stuff included, like everything, leave it down in the comments below. Leave a like, all that good stuff, because I would appreciate it. And I'm gonna say it one more time: like, share, and subscribe. It's been your boy Zeph from Cruise Customs, and I'm out. Deuces.